This recipe tastes better than French fries. It's super easy and incredibly delicious. Let's start by dicing 500 grams of potatoes. Mine have already been peeled. Put them in a pot, cover them with water, and turn on maximum heat for 15 minutes. When you can easily stick a fork inside of them, they're ready. With a potato masher, mash them until you've got a smooth mix. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from, so that I can personally thank you for keep watching and sharing our recipes. In our mash, add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, parsley to taste, 10 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. Now mix well. If you're still watching the video, you're loving our recipe. Then like the video and write below, "I love potatoes." When it won't be possible to keep using the spatula, start using your hands. Take a piece of the mash and create a stick. Repeat the process with the rest of the mash. They need to look like this. Drizzle some oil on a baking pan and spread it across the surface. Now just put the sticks in it. Brush some oil on top of them. Put them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. And our recipe is done, ready to enjoy. It's a perfect recipe for lunch. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I really hope you liked our video. I'm now going to reply to everyone who's written a comment or shared our recipe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.